Hi everyone, it's me again. It's the second showcase of my upcoming Valley View mall map, Garry Smart. So it's been a little more over than a month since the last showcase video dropped, and since then I added quite a lot of stuff. So first, the Sears Wing. I added the whole Sears Wing, with all the areas models just as it was in TOV3 by Kane Pixels. Yeah, just like that, and you can actually push that board through, and it goes to the ground. You can walk through that shop, and I haven't added this corridor thingy yet, because I haven't finished the diagonal wings, which the corridor leads to. But I'm gonna do that and soon. I think the diagonal wings are not complicated. But next the GMT wing. So you can see the Gallery Midtown and Artist Studios shop right there, and I haven't finished it yet because it had some extremely complicated geometry. Which the program that I make the maps in, doesn't really like. So I was like, I'm gonna leave this as it is right now, and I'm gonna upload the map probably with the wing, with this wing in the state as it currently is, and I'm gonna update it later, so more people can actually play the map sooner. Because I know that this wing in particular will gonna take me a lot of time to finish. Yeah, I modeled the like the outside of the shop, but I think I'm gonna add the interior later, but I'm not sure yet, because yeah, it's extremely complicated. If you ever saw it, you can actually play a game on Roblox featuring the Valley View malls, and you're gonna see how complicated this interior is. Next thing, I actually abandoned this wing for a second because I didn't know, as I said, I didn't want to continue working on the shops because they were extremely complicated. And I started working on the diagonal wings because, in my opinion, they're a more important part of the TOV series. Because the main character actually goes through them to escape from the giant. So yeah, this wing is going pretty quick. It's not that complicated at all, and I think I'm gonna have it done by the end of this week. Yeah, the next thing I'm gonna go over is the emergency rooftop exit. You have the sign. You can climb up this thingy and just go like that, just to the exit, and we can go up. I did not finish it yet because as I said, I wanted to start working on the diagonal wings first, but I think it's gonna be done in quite a small amount of time, because yeah, as I said, it has some very easy geometry, and yeah, it's not hard at all. So I also added a new tile texture, which is it's nicer. It's more accurate to the original model. It's nicer. I switched this tile texture, so it's also more accurate to the original model, and just looks a lot better. Just look at that. Look at those bump maps. Don't tell they don't look better. Yeah, so the next thing I want to go over is some small details like that, and I also changed this one. I think this wasn't included in the latest video. I added this thing because, yeah, it's more accurate. This thing is also present in the original mod, but for some reason I didn't have it. But yeah, I added it because it's a cool thing. So I cannot really edit this video because my editing software kind of broke, so it's gonna be just a recording. The map is compatible with my Nextbot, the rolling giant. It's pretty fun to run around from him in the map. And he also, when you go up the stairs, it's just like in the series. He climbs up this way and not this way. He just does that by itself. I don't know how. But yeah, he's gonna climb up the stairs and he's gonna chase you. And I'm pretty sure he isn't able to climb up these stairs, but we'll see. No, he's not. Yeah, I'm very bad at Lua, so I really have no idea how to program Nextbot correctly. But yeah, one cool thing is that he can actually, when you escape from him in this wing, he's gonna knock all of the props away. For example, let's go here, because there's a lot of props, and I'm pretty sure he's gonna just knock everything off with it. Yeah, so he can also enter here. Okay, that was not supposed to happen. And yeah, it's just very fun for me to play around with Nextbot on this map, as it's extremely huge. I also added the plant models, different plant models, so they are more accurate to TOV. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Also here the funny rolling giant. Yeah, I haven't been working on this wing for a lot of time because I think it's kind of finished. When I finish the external corridors leading from this shop, this black shop at the end, to they go like just like that. So you go through here and then you go just all the way here to, I'm pretty sure, this diagonal wing, which then goes into here. So it's gonna be connected with this corridor. I actually started making this corridor because I just wanted to see how well it's gonna look. But yeah, after I finish this diagonal wing first and then this, I'm gonna connect them all with the corridors, and I think the map will be playable. Yeah, and this wing, I'm not sure. I'm still not really sure if I'm gonna just leave it as it is and then release it as it is, or I'm gonna make it actually. I'm not sure about that. We'll see. But yeah, I think that's actually it for the showcase. Everything looks very nice. I'll actually add the full cutscene, this personal cutscene from TOV, but I don't think that I'm gonna add the outside world. Yeah, it's gonna make a huge difference in lighting, which I'm not really a fan of, and it's gonna compile a lot longer than it does. It already does compile. The map compiles very long. It's an extremely long time. It's like maybe 10 minutes. It's very long. 10 minutes per compile. It's a lot of time. So yeah, I think that's it. So see y'all, and I think the map should be released in like a month or so, maybe a little bit longer than a month. But yeah. Thank you for watching.